Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to NEW Non-Stop Extreme Wrestling here on the LVI show. Our next match is a handicap match, 1-on-2. Tornado versus the NWO 420 Divas.
The following contest is a handicap match. Approaching the ring, representing the Megastars from Massachusetts, the Tornado Emily.
Oh, listen to this place. Everybody's on their feet. I love this atmosphere. This one should be amazing, Michael. The Witch takes a hard shot. Mr. Target there. Well, look at this move, Cole. If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars. Oh, what a painful kick. Oh, what an elbow. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? Oh, no! Oh! Well, look at this move, Cole. What an impact from that kick. Well, look at this move, Cole. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? And there's the speed of Tornado.
Powerbomb.
You gotta love this match. It's got more curves than a racetrack. Well, look at this move, Cole. Oh, man, you take a shot like that, and you feel it for weeks. And there's the speed of Tornado. Oh, my motto would be, love thy neighbor, if I lived next door to her. And there's the speed of Tornado. Oh, the Witch works some magic right there. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. The attack on the skull continues. Oh, the Witch works some magic right there. The Witch. Shoulders down. Two. Call your friends. Let them know what's going on right now in this awesome match. And there's the reversal. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
The Tornado's barely able to stand. Oh, the witch works some magic right there. And a hard shot by the witch. We got a cover. 2-2.
Nice reversal.
Man, that was a vicious elbow drop.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. And Tornado comes up with an effective counter.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Cover here.
1, 2, 3. That's it. The match is over.
Psycho Chick didn't need Jessica's
I
help.
can't believe what we just saw. Highlight after highlight. Let's look at some of them right now. Here are your winners, Jessica and Psycho Chad. Negative the Outlaws.
So don't forget, we have 3 weeks to watch the WrestleMania event. In the meantime, continue watching NEW here on the LVI show. So after WrestleMania, we'll be using the WWE 2K17 game. For now on the PS3, until I get a PS4. So it's gonna be better because it's gonna be better moves, better graphics and everything. So don't miss it.